In this video, I'm gonna share you my morning pre-trading routine, and it starts not from the charts itself as you might think, but from breakfast. Probably you wanna ask me why from the breakfast and not from the charts, and the answer is simple because when you just wake up, your mind is not sober yet, and you need some time to be in an active phase. That's why I spend this time on breakfast, a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, it doesn't matter, because our mind is needed to be sober before trading. And there is a couple of minutes, like 10 or 20 minutes for breakfast, that's enough to be in an active phase, and we are ready to think regarding the charts and take the analysis of something. On a breakfast, I usually eat curd with the banana because it's tasty, it's fresh and sober as we could do. Also, I can get a cup of coffee or a cup of tea with some candies just to get some energy and just to be tasty. That's my weakness, and I guess the weakness of other people. I do not use the phone while this little morning routine because scrolling the reels, the shorts, the TikToks, sitting in the social networks, fooling your brain, and you are tired of that, and this tiredness can cause incorrect moves, irrational actions, so that's not needed. And I really recommend to you, do not use the phone or PC laptop during the breakfast or morning routine before trading, so I really not recommend it.
Like, I hate wasted potential. That shit crushes your spirit. It really does. It crushes your spirit.
Then of course I prepare my workspace before trading, then turning on the computer, cleaning the table, and other stuff before I even start something new on my PC. Only then I'm near the charts. I trade Euro, GBP, Australian dollar, gold, and desc. And I have some windows on the charts, and I'll tell you what I'm doing there. So the left window is my market profile chart. It is crucial thing in trading and especially in my strategy. So as I trade order flow and consolidations, I need this instrument for understanding the way where the market goes. However, with this indicator, I can see the weak zones on the chart where the price can make the reverse. So that's it. And also you can see there is the weird lines with the gray and orange, so that's the heat map that I use. It's on all charts that I have because it's also very important stuff because I see the orders on the chart. So I will not tell you the exact my strategy, so I will tell you like in general what I have on Windows. Then I have 1 hour chart, that's my main chart that I have. And also I have 4 hour for higher time frame, but I just switch 1 hour to 4 hour because I have the little monitor. So on this chart, I cross all consolidations that we got here, and sometimes I use the ancient volume profile. And why? Because sometimes there is no unmitigated volume area by TPO. That's why I use it in order to see where is the hugest volume in the consolidation in order to make the decision right there. And the last window is 5-minute time frame. So the same indicators there, and one more, it's delta. So I needed to know who is running on the market right now. However, there is one more thing that I do before making the analysis is the trading code. So I have made the list of rules that I need to let during the trading to not get more losses because of psychology or other stuff. So I need to sign it. Firstly, I read it. Usually I read it out loud and then make the sign and the date. And this way I make the change in my mind, and if I break the rules and get the stop, it means that I've lost my discipline, and this loss is my fault. I can also post the journal that I use in my Telegram, but I need to know if you need it. So I will make the post, and you just need to vote. Do you need it or not? So there is nothing special. So there is nothing really special in my pre-trading morning routine, because I guess that's the thing that every trader do, or I hope every trader do, because it's the basis of discipline, is the basis of good deals. When you write down your plan, when you lead to this plan, when you, for example, assign the trading codes, that is the rules of your strategy, and the rules of your plan, what you need to do step by step. And I guess that's really crucial, and I hope everybody do this. However, if you are not, I can share you with my templates, I can share you with my journals, I can share everything, but you need to vote if you need it in my Telegram channel, link in the description, so I will post it. Later, I will post the video regarding the psychology and why it's needed to write down everything later, so you can subscribe to me, and when I post the video, you will get the notification. Of course, there is one more thing, and it's not related to morning routine, but anyway, I will tell it in this video. While I wait for the deal, I usually do something. So I'm not staring in the charts and waiting for the position, or waiting while the price go to consolidation or make the setup. No, none of them. Of course, I control the price, but rarely, from time to time. And other time, I spend on something useful. For example, I read the books. Now I read this book, and there is a thing. When you read, you do not think about the charts, you do not have the FOMO, you do not have anything. You just made your mind do another stuff, and do not think about the trading. You just keep in mind that you need to check like 1 in 10 minutes, 1 in 20 minutes, the chart and what happened there. As I trade on 5 minutes, I understand that for 2 candles or for 4 candles, nothing special will happen. And I also suggest it to you because mentally you will be healthier in trading so much better. So, and I really appreciate that you clicked on this video, and I hope you like it. There is now a lot of information because there is nothing to tell, but if you want to know something more or something in more details, you can also write in the comments. I will be waiting for that. So thank you for joining this video. Have a nice day.